add a signature to your Word document, let's say it could be a letter, head onto your device and open the Word document of your choice. So let's say I want to add a signature to this very part of this document. So at the top left hand corner, you're going to see the option insert. Tap on it and then head on to tap on picture, then tap on this device. Now I've already made my signature on a paper and snapped it and then brought it into the computer. So I'm going to locate it and bring it to this document. So here is it. I'll tap on insert. Now this is the document. It looks so big, so I'm going to reduce its size. So this is it. Next, I'm going to rotate it by tapping on this inverted arrow. Tap on it and rotate it. So still tapping on the signature, at the top right hand you're going to see the crop option. Tap on it, then tap on crop again so as to reveal only the important parts of this signature. So I think I like this. Now the next thing to do is to change its color. If you notice, its color is not the same as the color on the document. So tap on the signature again and then you're going to see picture format. Under picture format, locate the option color. Tap on it, then different color shades will come up. So you go ahead and select the color that will reveal your signature very well. So I would go with black and white 50%. Let's tap on it and see what we have. Okay, so I think I like this and it looks beautiful. So by doing this, you have successfully added a signature to your Word document. If you got value in this video, do well to like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out of my subsequent content. Thank you for your support and I'll see you in my next video. Later.